Welcome back to the basic commands of Unix. So other commands that we'll discuss in this tutorial is username. When you type the username, okay, UNA name, that is Linux. That means which operating system that has been installed when you type it as Unix, UNO, and if you type -o, it will give you the GNU, and if you type A, and it will give you the IP address and some more user characteristics of the particular operating system. And when you type N, it will give you the IP number that is connected to this specific user. Okay, and then other important command is man is the manual page. So if you want any information related to any other command, and if you are not sure about that particular command on how to use this, man is a help on command, and a powerful help command in Unix. So it will really save a lot of time when you are not sure about the command and you want to see the description of it. Just type man and enter, and you can see what manual page do you want. It says, but I wanted to know about what is uname and why it is used. Okay, so here you can see, when as soon as you type man and uname, it will give you the information about that particular uname command. Uname is what? Uname is a print system information, and it gives you synopsis and also the description of it. What the description says is print certain system information with no option same as -s, and these are the different options that you can use along with the username. And this that's it, right? So it gives you the clear information of that specific command, and you can get started on using this specific command. So that's how the powerful is the man command.